Hey and welcome to Hank's True Barbecue. So today's episode we're gonna assemble and do a burn-in of the Bluegaz Z model. Should be fun. I'm really looking forward to putting it together and actually putting it to good use. And it gives me an opportunity to show you how to do proper, authentic barbecue on a gas grill. So stay tuned.
Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million God. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a rail. Seen queens trade crowns for a six-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out the graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an 8. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when they want captions, not scriptures. They want clout, not pictures. They want pain and it filters, so I bleed through the pics like scriptures. You can't cancel what's already broken. You can't mute what's been outspoken. I spit truth with a chip on my shoulder. Got trauma in my tongue and the world getting colder. Used to pray for a check, now I check on my spirit, cause the money don't echo when your soul ain't near. I see fake friends turn saints in the crisis, but they ghost real quick when the fame hit its eyes. Still I ride for my day ones, still I ride when the pain comes. I don't flex, I reflect, I don't fear, I dissect, yeah. Every verse got a little confession, like every scar, just a deeper question. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie.
So the grill is put together. I think I did it in like 45 minutes, less than an hour, which is good. The manual was quite clear. All the screws matched up in numbers. They fit well. It was pretty straightforward, just assembling things bit by bit, following the instructions in the manual. First impressions, it's really well built. I mean, all of this is stainless, not just the metal that looks stainless, but all of the black cabinet. That's nice. Good fit, thick walls and everything, so really sturdy. And I do like the height of this one. Really nice working height, so that's good. I'm gonna clean it up a bit. Looks nice with the handle, oak wood, of course. These really massive grill grates, very nice, helps with cleaning, and it's gonna last forever. That's really good. This is a shelf I have yet to use on any grill, regardless of brand, but we'll see. Perhaps that comes into play. We'll see later. I'm going to do a lot of low and slow on this one, but definitely searing also, specifically since it has these ceramic burners, which we're going to take a look at. Nice with the cabinet, doors that swing open, and I like the extra touch that I could adjust them, tweak them so they're perfectly aligned in height. That's really nice. This is what the lower cabinet looks like. Plenty of storage space. Just put the gas in there, hooked up the cable, the tube. I think this is all good. Not much to say about it. Again, really nice quality build. I like these big knobs. They look good, but there's also a nice touch to them. So you basically press, turn it to 9 o'clock, and that ignites the burners. The side burner and the two big ones. Now, Bluegaz were kind enough to send me a few extras, which I think is really nice. One of the smallest things that mean a lot to me is this stainless steel side table. Such a simple thing, but it really adds value when grilling. I just need to put the tongs somewhere. They did send this one along, really nice. I think it's really sturdy. I like the wood parts. I'm gonna put some oil on that so it's gonna last. Brush cleaner. And this little thing, which is just for helping to pick up the grill grates. Quite convenient. I think the shelf's the best thing, but this really is a looker for sure. It's going to be fun firing it up and testing it out and see how the temp zones work and everything and get to play with it. Let's see. Let's start it up. Yeah, this one's coming on. Nice heat coming. See which one's the next. That was the far left. Far right's the inner one. Then we should have this one here. Yeah. Nice. All right, let's close the lid and warm things up. Needle is moving, approaching 100 Celsius, which is good. Let's just keep it going for a while. Then we'll do some temp tests to see. I want to see how it works. Configuration for running it low and slow, so I know how to do the proper cook next time around. I'm thinking I'm just going to use one of the burners, so I'm going to play with that and see. So, getting this warmed up, going to be fun playing with it. I'll be right back with a real cook, doing a traditional low and slow barbecue cook on this. It's going to be real fun. Again, thanks so much for Bluegaz for sponsoring me, doing this, allowing me to play with this grill. First impressions again, really nice quality build. I like the sturdiness, I like the weight of the lid, stainless all through, nice analog, no neon lights or anything, and the grill grates are just massive. I think that's just a really good quality sign. But yeah, let's put this one through its paces, see how it plays out. But again, I'm really looking forward to being able to show you how to get authentic barbecue on a gas grill with wood smoke flavor. Stay tuned.